Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want automatic order tracking and some branded tracking pages, AfterShip is the tool you need. So in today's small video, I'm actually to show you how to actually connect Shopify to AfterShip in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, go all the way and open your device, make sure everything is looking good. Go to shopify.com to your main account or the home screen, where you can access the setting menu. Tap on this icon here, then go all the way to apps and sales channels. For me, I'm gonna go through these apps. As you see here, it's fully clean. I don't have apps yet. Go into the sales channel, where you should be able to see point of sale and online store. After this, we're gonna go back to apps. Go all the way to Shopify app store, which will take you to this window where you're gonna go and look for AfterShip. AfterShip, hit enter here. Now this one is after sale. We are looking for AfterShip. Okay, we're gonna look for AfterShip here. Order tracking, AfterShip of order tracking. Okay, we're gonna go with this one. Create, basically, after installing the app, you should create or log into your AfterShip account, then authorize the Shopify access. Allow AfterShip to access orders and tracking info, then sync the orders automatically. Tracking numbers will sync instantly. All you're gonna do is customize the tracking page. Add your logo, brand colors, and even the store name. You can enable basically email and even SMS notifications if you really need to. Notify customers automatically about shipping updates, then just the tracking page. You should use a real or test tracking number for it to work properly. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video.